alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Salahuddin with FreelanceTip. Today we are going to discuss how to create Elementor header with free Elementor. So let me show you in the plugins that we are using free Elementor first of all. So let's see. We are going to check our installed plugins folder. Here, as you can see, that we are using free Elementor, this one. Okay, to use Elementor header and footer, custom header and footer, we have to install this plugin. That is already installed, but let me show you how to install it. You will go to add new, and here you will click on search and search for Elementor header and footer builder. This is already active. If this is not active, you have to install now and then click on activate. Okay, after that what you have to do is you will go to appearance. Here is the appearance. Okay, then you can see Elementor header and footer builder. Here you have to click it, and now you can create Elementor header or footer. Okay, I already have one. If you have to create a new one, you can add it from here. So we already have one. I'm going to show you this one. It is with Elementor, but there are some key points that I will tell you after. So let's see the header first of all. You have to create the header in Elementor. Here you can use all these elements, as I have used a logo, and this is a text, this is a search form, and this is text, and this one is a cart menu, and this is a menu also. Okay, this is our mega menu. I will also tell you about mega menu, how to you can create mega menu for free in Elementor. If you want to learn, you can see the video. Okay, this is the header. If we have to make any changes, we can do it from here. But one thing you have to note, that when you update this, there are no display conditions. Okay, as you can see in Elementor Pro, there are no display conditions, so you just have to save it. Okay, and now you have to go back, and I will tell you that if you update this one, this will not show on your website. What you have to do to show it on your website is to click on edit here, and in the edit section you have to select rules. These are the rules: display on entire website or any single pages. These are the rules. When you select these rules, entire website, you have to click on entire website, because header we have to show on the entire website. So here you will click on the type and then update this page. Now your Elementor header will show up on your website. Let me show you on the website. Okay, this is the header that we built, and now it's showing up on our website. Okay, so this is how you can create an Elementor header with free Elementor plugin.